Hi, I'm Danny at Danny's Do-It-Yourself Garage. Today I have a 2005 Toyota Corolla and I'm going to show you how to do a throttle body service. The reason for doing a throttle body service is if your car just is not idling like it used to. On this particular car, every time I turn on the air conditioner, the car almost dies. Let's get started. I'm going to go ahead and clean out my throttle body. To do this, we're just going to remove this boot. Let me see if I can remove it here too. Let's see how that works out. Alright, that was good. That's okay. Perfect. So if you look in there, a little bit dirty. Let me get a light here. Look in there, it's a little bit dirty. I'm going to just get in there and just wipe it down a little bit. Alright, so here's what you're going to use. You're going to use Carburetor choke cleaner. Okay, so what I like to do is just kind of soak the rag with the carburetor cleaner there. I'll have an assistant hold the throttle open. Turn the key on, just hold the throttle open. That'll open up those plates. And just get your finger in there. Finger bang the throttle body is what they call it. Alright, so once you're satisfied with the way it looks, which looks good to me, go ahead and put everything back together. Put that back on. Oh. And throttle body is done.